Good morning children. How are you? Hope you all are good and taking care of yourself. I am your teacher Namita. Today I am gonna teach you about sound of A and at family words. Children, there are 26 letters in alphabet. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. These 26 letters have their own sound. Let's learn the sound of the letters. A says apple. B says ball. C says cap. D says drum. E says egg. F says fish. G says gun. H says her hat. I says igloo. J says jug. K says kite. L says lamp. M says mat. N says nest. O says orange. P says pen. Q says quilt. R says red. S says sun. T says tap. U says umbrella. V says van. W says watch. X says Xmas tree. Y says yo-yo. Z says zip. Let's learn the sound of the A. A says at words. B says b. A says T says t. At bat. This is the picture of the bat. C says k. A says T says t. At cat. This is the picture of the cat. M says m. A says T says t. At mat. This is the picture of the mat. F says f. A says T says t. At fat. This is the picture of the fat. R says r. A says T says t. At rat. This is a picture of the rat. H says her. A says T says t. At hat. This is a picture of the hat. Children, these are at family words. Now let's do the work in the notebook. Children, first of all, write down the date. Write heading on the first line. Your first letter should be capital. SOUND. Sound. OF of A. In the second line, write AT at WORDS. Words. In the third line, write 1. Write B, small b, plus AT equal to BAT. Bat. Write 2 near the margin line. Small c plus AT. Cat equal to cat. CAT cat. Write 3. MAT mat. Write 4. FAT fat. For at. Write 5. RAT rat. Write 6. H-A-T, hat. Children, you can make small pictures also with the help of your mama. Picture of bat. Picture of cat. Picture of mat. Picture of rat. Picture of hat. Thank you, children.